2016, Addison City Council has gathered each year to tackle big picture questions and set priorities for the town's future. On Friday, January 30th, Council joined the city manager, deputy city managers, and directors at Abilene Christian University's Addison campus for a full-day strategic planning workshop. Those conversations help guide the town's direction and shape the fiscal year 2027 budget. The 7 key focus areas guiding 2026 include public safety, economic development and revitalization, mobility and connectivity, infrastructure development and maintenance, financial health and organizational excellence, community engagement, and active community. Before the workshop, staff updated the strategic plan dashboard, closing 18 completed initiatives, advancing 73 into the next phase, and adding 16 new efforts. Several of the completed accomplishments were within public safety, including the implementation of a performance-based step plan for sworn-in police and fire personnel, in the infrastructure development and maintenance focus area, including the completion of the Midway Road Revitalization Project. During the session, council members spent hours reviewing and revising the 7 key focus areas, discussing the status of the nearly 100 initiatives and working together to determine what adjustments were needed and where new opportunities existed. Here are some notable changes for the 2027 key focus area. Addison Airport was pulled out from under economic development and revitalization and designated as a standalone key focus area. Council emphasized leveraging the Addison Airport to maximize business growth and expansion opportunities. The vibrant and active and engaged community focus areas were merged into one focus area renamed Vibrant, Active, and Engaged Community.
Looking ahead to 2027, the town's new initiatives range from public safety training to enhanced information technology infrastructure and continue to build on the town's progress in 2026.
This work reflects a thoughtful, disciplined approach for planning, aligning priorities, resources, and long-term vision to keep Addison moving forward. The status of the strategic plan is updated quarterly and can be found on the town's website at addisontx.gov.